Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is AU4X. Quick look and take a look at the dollar versus Canada. Today's date, November 20th, 2024. Let's get started. Looking at the hourly chart, we've had two pretty decent days to the downside here in the dollar versus Canada. The first day moved below the 100-hour moving average, and then we found resistance sellers against it in trading yesterday before moving to the downside. In the second day, we moved below the 200-hour moving average. That's a green line in this chart. We also moved below the 1.3978 level. What's the importance of that? Well, if you go to the daily chart and take a look at the high price going back to 2022, that level came in at 1.3978. So moving back to the hourly chart, getting below both those levels was more, and the 200-hour moving average near that level was more bearish, and we continued to move to the downside to the next target area. That next target area was this swing area defined by a number of different swing lows, well, mostly swing highs through here where it formed a ceiling. We tried to move above here, failed, and then reestablished resistance here. Finally, we broke to the upside here, but this area proved to be some decent support and trading here today, with the price of stalling within that yellow area. Also near that level is the rising 100-bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. So the swing area comes between 1.39458 and 1.3958, and as you can see, the low price came in right in between that, probably around the 50 or so level before bouncing higher. So we are seeing the Canadian sellers, the dollar buying and trading here today. We are back above that 78 level. We moved above it and then came back down to it, and you can see we did find some support buying just right near it, maybe a little bit below it, before rotating back to the upside. We're also back above the 100 or 200-hour moving average. That's a green line in this chart. Comes in at 1.3986. So the buyers are trying to make a play here. Close support. Let's watch the 77.78 level right here. If the price can stay above that level in the short term, the bias remains in the upward direction. Why? Because, well, we've done this over the last over the short term for this pair that is a move to the upside through here. So you can't ignore the fact that the buyers have been taking this price higher. This is just a modest correction in what has been more of a bullish move for the dollar versus Canada. So watch this level right here. This is going to be key in the short term. If we do break below it, we could see another rotation back down toward the 100-bar moving on to the 4-hour chart. If we move below that level, that would give the sellers a little bit more confidence that a more corrective probing is likely. On the top side, the 100-hour moving average up here, 1.40302, is starting to turn to the downside, so that will be the next key target in that direction. So there you have it, a technical look at the dollar versus Canada. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.